You work hard for your money, right? It's time to make your money work hard for you. We're diving deep into the world of loans and credit. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Once you understand the rules, you can take control and achieve your financial dreams. Let's get started. This isn't about being a financial expert. It's about having the knowledge to make smart choices with your hard-earned cash. By the end of this, you'll be equipped to dodge debt traps and build a brighter financial future. Ready to take charge? Let's do this. Imagine this. You need a car. You don't have all the cash right now, so you take out a loan. The bank lends you the money, but here's the catch. They charge you interest. Interest is like a fee for borrowing money. The higher the interest rate, the more you pay back over time. Think of it like renting money. You want the shortest, cheapest rental possible. Understanding how interest works is key to winning the loan game. Remember, knowledge is power. Lenders love to lure you in with tempting offers, but beware of the traps. Minimum payments seem easy, but they keep you in debt longer, costing you more in interest. Hidden fees can pop up like weeds, adding to your debt burden. And watch out for variable interest rates. They can start low but quickly skyrocket, throwing your budget off track. Be a savvy borrower. Read the fine print, ask questions, and understand the terms before you sign on the dotted line. Ready for some golden rules to navigate the loan landscape? First, only borrow what you need, not what you want. Second, pay more than the minimum payment whenever possible. This knocks out debt faster and saves you a ton in interest. Third, build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This prevents you from relying on credit cards when life throws curveballs. Fourth, track your spending. Knowing where your money goes empowers you to make smarter choices. Finally, attack high-interest debt first. This snowball method frees up more cash flow to achieve your financial goals. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt, like a loan for education or a home, can really build your future. These investments can actually increase in value over time. But bad debt, like borrowing for vacations or designer clothes, just drains your finances. These purchases lose value and, well, don't generate any income. Before taking on any debt, just ask yourself, will this help me build a better future or just satisfy a temporary want? Choose wisely. A budget is not about restriction, it's about freedom. It's basically telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back and, redirect that money towards your goals. Need help creating a budget? There are tons of free apps and resources available. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in achieving financial peace of mind. Life is full of surprises, and honestly, not all of them are good. An unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or even a job loss can really derail your finances. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This safety net will totally give you peace of mind, knowing you can handle whatever life throws your way without going into debt. Start small and build it up over time. You got this. Building lasting financial security really requires a shift in mindset. Instead of focusing on instant gratification, you gotta think long-term. Delaying gratification today can, for sure, lead to greater rewards tomorrow. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills, maybe start a side hustle or explore some investment opportunities. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll reach your destination. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to conquer the world of loans and credit. Just remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but hey, don't get discouraged. With each smart choice, you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Take control of your finances and watch your dreams turn into reality. You got this.